Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn about data table setup and its customization. So let's start. So let's install data tables first. Now we need to publish data table. So here we have data tables button and data tables HTML in number 17, 18 and 20. So we will publish all these three and we will use it. After publish, it will create a folder in view, name as vendor, and also create a folder in public button dot vendor data tables. Inside it we have button.js. Now we will add it in app.php. So add in providers. It's added here. So now we will add all providers. So PHP. So now create a data table. Our data table is for users. So data tables make user. So data table created. You can check here in app data tables. We have user data table. Now we will add a user controller. So now it's set to go. So next we have to add route here. So in web.php, write down route for user. Now we need to show data table in render user in user index page. So open user index blade, title is user list. So here we will add data table and data table scripts. And we need to add data table scripts. Okay. Now we need to add three more things that are CDN of jQuery. So search for jQuery, get the latest link, copy the link and paste it here. So script jQuery is included. Now we need CSS. So for CSS data table at data table website, we can find this CSS and JS. So copy this and also we need data table JS. Now it's ready. So refresh the page. Now we have table here. Now we are going to add buttons here. So to do that, we need this CSS for buttons, and also include this JavaScript. After this, also need to include this button server dot site.js. So include this. So now refresh the page in browser and we have buttons included here. So as you can see, to here in data table, all the parts are divided, means the button parts are different, the search or filter part is different, the table is a different thing, and the pagination and information, and also that unloading or processing, you can say that, so we can change their positions according to our need. Here we have DOM, HTML DOM here. So here B stands for button box, T for table box, F for search or filter box, R for loading or processing box, and I for information box, and P is for pagination box. So you can change its position according to your need. So let's include Bootstrap in our project. So I added the Bootstrap link here, and now we will refresh the page. So now it's loaded with Bootstrap. Now what we will do, first let's see its structure. So inspect here. In body we have a div element. Here we have table here. Remove this all. So here to open a div, you have to write this. So a div is open. Now say you have to add a class row. So add row here. Then this div, inside this div row, we keep our table and close this div. Okay. So now refresh this page. So now in body, as you can see, we have a row class here. Inside this, we have this table. Okay, and now we write only T there, so we have only table here. Now what we do, we will in first row we will add only um, buttons and paginations. So in row add column. So to add column, open another div and close it. Then here we will write call md6, and in this div what we will keep, we will keep here buttons only. Now add another column, so col md6, and we will add search button here, so that's F. Now put table here and close the div. Okay, so we have a row div. Inside this row we have a column, we have first column, then we have second column. Okay, then we will add another row, so add a row, and inside this row we will keep our table. Okay, so refresh this page. So as you can see here in body we have a row div, then we have two call div, and then again a row div. Okay, so let's suppose you want to add some margin above there. So you just need to add margin top 5 or 3. Refresh this page. Now here we have margin. Also we can add margin x2 and refresh this. Also add margin x2 here and refresh this page. So we have empty from both sides. As you can see also in structure we have margin added here. So now we will add another column here and add information and pagination. So add another row, close this row, close this div, row div, add another row div. So add another row div, close this, information and pagination here in this row. So first information, then we will have pagination. Now here you can see we have but pagination and information here. So suppose you want this button here at bottom, then how to do? Just cut this button, this 12, or remove this, and put it here, 4, 4 and 4. Now refresh this page. So we have buttons now here. Then add margin in button, then Now it's looking good. So you can change according to your choice. You can also move this search at any position. And we don't have added loader, so add loader here just. So when we refresh this, we have loader here. As you can see, for a small time, uh, blue color loader. So this R stand for that loader or processing. So that's now for data table.